Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first you should go to the notification panel, and here you'll see the screen recorder icon. Just hold for a while and you'll just launch the screen recorder settings. Now just here you'll see the video quality section, tap there, and you can switch your 16 megabits per second to the 24, to the 32, to the 50, or to the 100. Also you can just switch it to the 16 again. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.